Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our web page from YouTube Transcript tool does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the web page from YouTube Transcript option. This tool generates optimized web page content based on a YouTube video transcript. It will go through the URL of the YouTube video you provide and extract the transcript, then generate comprehensive content that's ready to be published as a web page. This tool can help many employees quickly create SEO-friendly content for their websites based on video transcripts, making their lives easier. Thanks for watching.